Hi, welcome to Ready Made Templates YouTube channel. In this video today, we are going to design an awesome resume CV template for freshers in Microsoft Word. Watch this video from start to end to see some exciting things being done there. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch many more such videos. Let's get started. First of all, remove margins from all sides of the page. As the first step of the design, let's draw a rectangle of 3 inches in width and 11 inches in height on the left side to create a sidebar for the resume. Now, let's draw a circle on the top left of the page to design a placeholder for the candidate's photo. Don't forget to like this video and do subscribe to our channel to get notified of all the upcoming exciting videos with a lot more informational and exciting things. Draw a text box on the right side of the photo. This is what we will use to display the candidate's name in a large font size, and beneath it write the job title in a bit smaller font size. On the left side, at the top, let's design a section to write the candidate's contact information such as phone number, email, and mailing address. forget to like this video and do subscribe to our channel to get notified of all the upcoming exciting videos with a lot more informational and exciting things. You can download all of the icons and images used in the creation of this resume design from links provided in the description below. Below the Contact Us section, let's design the Interest section to write down the candidate's interests and hobbies. At the end of the left sidebar, let's design a section to write the details of the languages that the candidate can write, speak, and understand. You can download this ready-made sample resume design in Microsoft Word from OfficeTemplatesOnline.com. The link is provided in the description below. Now, when we have already completed the left side design of the resume with contact, interests, and languages information, let's design the right side of the resume starting from the About Me section on the top. All that I am designing here. If you see anything confusing or something that does not make sense to you, feel free to ask questions in the comments section below. I will try to reply to each of your questions as soon as I can. Don't forget to like this video and do subscribe to our channel to get notified of all the upcoming exciting videos with a lot more informational and exciting things. let's design the education section now. This is probably the most important section of this resume for freshers, at emphasis on your education, which indeed shows your qualifications for the job you are applying for. Section that we are going to design for this resume is the skills section. This is where the candidate can show his or her personal skills that he has learned in the recent past.